Poet Kumar Vishwas has sparked a controversy which appears to be a veiled jibe at actor Sonakshi Sinha and the interfaith marriage that she's been in. She's the daughter of actor-turned-politician Shatrughan Sinha. Now, it appeared that during a public event, I first quote here what this popular poet had to say. Kumar Vishwas says that I'll say what I will and then those who can understand will do. Teach your children the Ramayana. Teach them the names of the Ramayana, or you may name your house as the Ramayana, but someone may take away the Sri Lakshmi of your house. Vishwas said that at a poetry event in Uttar Pradesh, and many are asking why was such a veiled jibe necessary, and clearly many are wondering if this was hinted and signalled at Shatrughan Sinha and his daughter Sonakshi Sinha and Iqbal, who she recently married.
बच्चों को नाम याद कराइए सीता जी की बहनों के, भगवान राम के भाइयों के। एक संकेत दे रहा हूं, जो समझ जाए उनकी तालियां उठें। अपने बच्चों को रामायण सुनवाइए, गीता पढ़वाइए, अन्यथा ऐसा ना हो कि आपके घर का नाम तो रामायण हो और आपके घर की श्री लक्ष्मी को कोई और उठा के ले जाए, तब पढ़ रहा।
Ashutosh Mishra joins me for the latest on that. Ashutosh, clearly Vishwas is a veteran poet and understands the usage and mention of the words. What is the controversy here? Do you think people are also asking, are such veiled jibes necessary for what are personal decisions, to say the least?
Absolutely, and a seasoned leader, politician has been in the past, and a great poet like Vishwas making such kind of objectionable remarks, clearly not going well even within the supporters. And then we see the reactions coming from the people across the corner. But largely we see the reactions and the pot shots being taken. It's the Congress leaders. So we have the Supriya Sinha, then Surendra Rajput. All these Congress leaders are taking a hot shot on Kumar Vishwas over these kind of comments, because as you rightly said, it's a personal choice of Sonakshi Sinha. Family was happy. Everything goes well in the family. So no one else as an outsider have any right to make such kind of objectionable comments on someone's freedom or someone's personal choice. So Kumar Vishwas, being a great poet, often, many times we have seen falling in a controversy. This looks just another the moment, and we see the opposition parties, particularly the Congress, is taking on the Kumar Vishwas for his remarks that is made indirectly, not naming Shatrughan Sinha or Sonakshi Sinha, but indirectly taking a pot
You're
shot
telling
on
me this has already become a political showdown. Tell us, what has the Congress party said about it? And I want to reiterate here that Kumar Vishwas did not name anyone, but from what he said, many are saying that this clearly reflects that he's referring to Shatrughan Sinha and his daughter. Tell me, Ashutosh, what is the Congress saying about it?
So, the Ramayana, Shatrughan Sinha's house is named as Ramayana.
Correct.
The first reaction that I noticed last night came from Surendra Rajput, the Congress leader, says, Kumar Vishwas, tum bhi beti wale ho. And then he said that even Kumar Vishwas, you also have a daughter. So when you make some kind of remarks against daughter of some family or any female, any ladies, any women, clearly that does not reflect on your personality. And that's so another statement that came from was Supriya Sinha, also taking that अगर आपके घर में एक बेटी तो क्या आप किसी और की बेटी पर भद्दी टिप्पणी करके सस्ती तालियां बटोरेंगे. So even Supriya Sinha hasn't named Kumar Vishwas, but the way Kumar Vishwas took a jibe and a pot shot on Shatrughan Sinha and Sonakshi Sinha, exactly in a similar way, a lot of Congress leaders, the Congress politicians are also hitting on Kumar Vishwas for this objectionable remark that he made.
All right, Ashutosh, so we'll be tracking if there could be at all a statement that could come in from the actor or his family. Sonakshi also in the past has often responded if there are jibes like this thrown. But let's also remember, personal decision, adults getting into a married alliance, should a third person and someone of such a stature with a mass following should be making a comment like that?